So let's review how to connect Procreate to a web conferencing platform like Zoom, which is the platform I'll be using in this video, simply because I found it to be really reliable and commonly used right now in the world. So this is the part where you want to test your connection between your iPad and making sure that you can share the screen in Zoom so other people can see you recording in real time for a meeting that they're doing. So that's what we're going for here, is really figuring out how to make this connection. So just remember to do this before the start of your session. Don't want to be scrambling to do that last minute. You don't need that kind of stress. So you're going to start by logging into Zoom on your computer, not on your iPad. This is where a lot of people go wrong. If you share it from your iPad, it's not as good. So you want to connect to Zoom from your computer, and then we'll share screen via AirPlay on your iPad. So start by logging in on your computer, and then once you're in Zoom, you're going to click on the share screen button on the bottom of your screen, and that toolbar, it's that green button that says share screen. So you'll click on that, and then you'll have a couple options here, and you'll want to select connect iPad/iPhone via AirPlay. It's very important that you choose this option and not the connect iPad/iPhone with cable. You don't want to connect it with the cable because there's a feature we'll be turning on in Procreate, and it does not work if you're connected via cable. I know, I don't know why, it just is. So once you select the connect iPad/iPhone via AirPlay, go to your iPad and swipe down from the top right-hand corner of your screen to open the Control Center. And there you'll see a screen mirroring button where you can then connect your iPad screen to the Zoom meeting via the shared screen that you just enabled. So great, that's the first part. Now you should be seeing your iPad screen on your Zoom. Now you want to open up Procreate, and you'll click on the wrench icon at the top left-hand corner of your screen, and you'll open up your Actions toolbar. So you'll click on the Preferences button in that top row, and then you'll select the Project Canvas option, and you'll make sure that's turned on. So Project Canvas essentially allows you to share your screen, but your view is going to be different than what the participants see via shared screen. So the participants will see your full screen, and there will be no zooming in and out. It's just going to be the full canvas. While on your end, you'll be able to zoom in and out, you'll be able to select tools and select colors, and people won't be able to see that on their screen. This is just, this is the reason why I use Procreate. It makes the viewer experience so much better, and it allows me to do all that stuff that I need to do, the zooming in and out. You just gotta zoom in to get legible handwriting. So that's why I use this application. When they brought in this feature, I switched back over to Procreate. So if you want to show the zooming in and out, maybe you're reviewing the capture that you just did of the conversation, you'll just turn off Project Canvas mode while you're in shared screen view, and then the participants will be able to see you zooming in and out. They'll be able to see you selecting your tool, so they'll just see the exact view that you see on your iPad. While I'm doing my tech check and just testing my connection, making sure that's smooth, this is also where I test my guidelines. So there's a whole separate video that goes over how to turn on guidelines in Procreate. So this is where I want to make sure that I do not see my guidelines on the shared screen view in Zoom, but that I can still see them on my iPad screen. I just want to make sure that participants can't see that detail. And this is also where I'll be testing any pre-done screens that I'll be showing during the session. So I want to just make sure I can see how they'll be turning up on the screen, if the colors are right. You just want to do a dry run and make sure that all the things that you'll be working with, that they work and that they don't let you down. Okay, so that's the basic overview of how to connect your iPad to Zoom.